Welcome to DreamHaven Ideas. Close your eyes and imagine stepping into your backyard, transformation a space that feels like an expensive resort retreat, yet was created on a modest budget. Picture warm string lights glowing above comfortable seating areas, lush tropical plants cascading from creative planters, and pathways that guide you through your own personal sanctuary. This isn't just a dream, it's entirely achievable, and today we're showing you exactly how. Budget-friendly backyard design is all about working smarter, not harder. The secret lies in choosing the right materials that deliver maximum impact without the premium price tag. Think gravel instead of expensive pavers, repurposed wood instead of custom builds, and strategic plant placement that creates depth and luxury. Modern outdoor living in 2025 embraces resourcefulness and creativity. Vertical gardens transform plain walls into living art. Solar-powered lighting creates ambiance without electrical costs. Container gardening offers flexibility and instant impact. DIY raised beds built from reclaimed materials add structure and sophistication. String lights and Edison bulbs provide that warm, expensive resort glow for just pennies. The beauty of budget landscaping is that it encourages personal expression. You're not bound by expensive contractor timelines or premium material limitations. Instead, you can experiment with textures, mixing smooth stones with rough wood, combining sleek modern elements with rustic charm, layer different heights of plants to create visual interest. Use color strategically through flowers, cushions, and decorative accents. As you explore these ideas, imagine which ones would transform your space. Would you choose a cozy fire pit area surrounded by Adirondack chairs, or perhaps a vertical garden that maximizes your limited square footage? Do you envision entertaining guests on a DIY paver patio, or creating a peaceful reading nook tucked among tropical foliage? Think about how these changes would make you feel stepping outside after a long day into a space you created with your own hands, knowing it didn't drain your savings. That sense of accomplishment combined with daily beauty is priceless. Whether your style leans modern minimalist or rustic farmhouse, budget-friendly doesn't mean compromising on aesthetics. If these ideas are inspiring your outdoor transformation journey, we'd love for you to join our DreamHaven Ideas community. Like this video if it sparked your creativity, and subscribe for more accessible design inspiration that proves beautiful living spaces are within everyone's reach. Now, enjoy the inspiration as we walk you through 101 plus budget backyard ideas that look incredibly expensive.